Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can see like how much your pet is worth in Grow a Garden without selling it. So you're just going to go to the pet eggs section here. You're going to get out your pet. For instance, I'll do this one. Select talk to Raphael, and you're going to select the how much is this worth. Okay, as you can see, it's 430,000-ish shekels. Let's see, what about Chicken Zombie? How much is this worth? Okay, it's less, I guess, 147. Let's see, what about Apple Gazelle? How much is this worth? Okay, that's a million. I think because it's like rare. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can view how much your pet is worth in Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.